Let me show you how to make this simple beaded earring in just few steps. These are the materials I'll be using: a fishing line, beads of 2 different sizes. The maroon is 10 mm and the pink is 8 mm. Then earring head, you need a cutter and a tape rule. Now let's start. You start by measuring out the length of fishing line you want to use. I measured out 15 here, but you can measure like 20 for beginners, depending on how well you can manage your thread. Now I started by putting the bigger bead, which is the 10 mm, this maroon bead. So you pick up 5 of the beads and arrange them into the fishing line. So now I'm done fixing the 5 beads. Now I'm going to bring the 2 ends of my fishing line together. Bring them together, make sure they're of equal length. Then I'll pick up my pink bead and pass the 2 fishing line through the pink bead. Now you bend your pink bead backward, and on the right side of the bead you pick 1 fishing line and then you pass it through 2 beads on your right hand side. Now on the other side of the bead, which is the left side, we're going to repeat the same process, but here I flip the bead to the other side. So you repeat, you put the other fishing line, pass it through 2 beads on the left side. Add 1 bead on one side of the fishing line and then you tie. So we already made our flower shape bead, and the total bead I used for this is 7 beads. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beading tutorials. Now it's time to fix the head of the earring. So you pick up the head of your earring, fix it on one side of the fishing line, and then tie. You can tie it about 3 to 4 times just to secure it firmly, and then for each side of the fishing line you pass through the whole of the earring and retie it. Now I'm done fixing the head. The next thing is to pass the fishing line through the bead again I pass one side of the fishing line through 3 beads, and on the other side I pass the other fishing line through 3 beads. The both fishing line are to meet in one spot. And then I give it a tie just to secure it firmly. Now the next thing is just to cut out the excess fishing line, and that is it. Our earring is ready. So I was done fixing this one. I did the other one off camera, and this is the pair of earring. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this design. See you in my next video. Bye.